Hi everyone, welcome back again. In this episode 3, I'll be installing various packages which is required to learn Python data science and data analysis. These packages are very important as they are the crux of learning this Python data analysis and data science. So let's start. Just open up the browser and just type what are the packages required. The packages are pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and seaborn. These are the packages which we need for our data analysis. So let's just install them. Since I know that basic part, I'll just jump directly to terminal. So I have opened the terminal. I hope it's visible. Now in the terminal, I will just let's to see our current directory. Now we had created a directory previously. I'll just jump into the directory Python. Done. Now what I will do is that since these packages will be installed using pip, but before that I will create a separate virtual environment. The reason being, which I had mentioned in previous video and I remember that, is that to basically create a separate environment for my projects or for my works or for my learning, so that it will not affect other system environment or system programs. So I'll just create it now. That would be through it is Python 3. Let's just name it data. VENV data. It will be minus of m. So if I type ls, see data and environment is created. Earlier I created test. So now I will just activate it. Source data /bin/activate. So my environment is set up. Now I need to install these packages. There is a simpler way which I've learned to install these packages, that is through creating a text file. The text file would be, let's just type touch requirement .txt. Now I'll just go use nano and open the file. I'll type numpy panda matplotlib seaborn kit learn. So I will just save this. Now if I type requirements, view the contents, it's called is cat requirement.txt. These are the content. Now I just need to see is whether pip is installed. It is installed. I'll just type now our installation pip install. R is for requirement from the text file requirement.txt. Now it is installing the packages onto the environment, that is data. It's a virtual environment. So I guess everything is installed. Just clear the screen. To view that content, just type pip list. So here I can see matplotlib is installed, pandas is installed, seaborn is installed, numpy is installed, skykit is also installed. So we means basically I will in the later videos, in the later episode, I will basically use these packages and learn them as well as practice. I hope this video is pretty helpful for anyone also who is learning with me. So let's learn, practice and rewind. Thanks for watching.